load gamit ang GCash para sa chance na manalo ng 10,000 peso GCash daily o 1 million pesos sa Grand Draw. Sa GCash, pamaskong pabuenas, load to win promo.
Have a GCash loaded Christmas. Oh, ho, ho, ho.
Another pamasko from Eat Bulaga. Ito na mga paborito niyong kapuso Dabber Cards. JR, Brennan, Gerald, Casey Montero, Miggy, Marky Cielo, Mark Heras together with Shara Soto and Pauline Luna.
Relax your mind, let your conscience be free, and now roll with the sounds of the
SOB, boys.
Come on, Casey.
You know what I'm back in the building. Security straps, still stacking the million. Something to stallion, something Italian, or maybe Puerto Rican. You can catch me in Paris.
I'm in it to win, but willing to carry the game. You think I'm looking to fix the book? I cleaned it up. I don't even know what I'm talking about right now, but it's all good to be on Eat Bulaga. Peace.
I did it before, do it again. I got it to blow, got it to spin. Last before, good as the wind. Got hips go back like juice and gin, yeah.
Shine the best, and diamond necklace, my extravagant taste is time for plexus. You know I'm the ish, they wanna get next to why she had to fit, cause you wanna get next to who?
Oh yeah. Come on, Shara. Pauline, yeah. Yeah. Come on, Brennan.
Anywhere I appear, they all stop and stare. Admire your body language, speaking loud and clear like
Gerald in the house, y'all.
She been waiting, anticipating for oh so long. Fantasizing wild thoughts of me coming on like.
She digging my style, my swag, my sway, my swerve. The words of boys are pulling the ring short. You can't fall my all in call. I make miracles like I walk on water.
What you want, mama order? It's on my tab, I'm so bad with the cash, I dropped the whole bag. Where you at, girl?
Where you at? Sing it. Come on, Mark. Mark in the house. Woo! Mark. Oh. Eat Bulaga. Oh.
I can be what you need, oh baby. You're here, make it happen.
Do it. Oh, come on, y'all. SOB boys up in Eat Bulaga. Do it.
relax your mind, let your conscience be free. Now roll with the sounds of the
SOB boys. Oh, come on, Mark. Yeah, come on, Mark.
Get down, Mix.
Come on,
Go,
Mark.
Marky. Go, Mark. Go, Mark.
Oh.
Ladies and gentlemen, here are your Kapuso Dabber Cards. JR, Brennan, Gerald, Casey Montero, Mickey, Marky Cielo, and Mark Harris together with Shara and Pauline.
Yo, my boys, what's up?
SOB boys, Shara, thank you, and Pauline.
Come on.
JR, Mickey, Mark,
JR.
Marky, Gerald, Brennan, Casey. Ano ba ang abangan nila
Yes.
bukas sa
Ano bang
SOP?
bago sa SOP pa
Hindi,
rin?
bukas sa SOP, marami kaming mga charity stuff, you know, kasi lahat ng mga audience bukas, may entrance fee na 7 pesos po bukas. Kasi
Charity
idodonate-
stuff, huh?
Charity stuff. You know what I'm talking about, everybody? Hindi, i-donate yung sa GMA Kapuso Foundation.
Yes.
7 pesos in all the audience para syempre for the Christmas holiday.
Entrance 7 pesos pero mapupunta sa Kapuso Foundation. Mark,
Alright.
At yung mga home viewers
Gerald.
naman na gusto tumulong, just type SOP space, pledge, and space, your name, and send to 4627 for all subscribers po yan.
Chase, you want to add anything?
No, I'm just going to say that tomorrow it's going to be a really, really big day, huge day. It's going to be our Christmas party. So everybody has to watch. Everybody has to go. Remember, just 7 pesos para sa GMA Kapuso Foundation.
Tagalog.
Everybody's going to be there.
Tagalog, Casey.
GMA Kapuso Foundation.
Yun,
Tagalog.
pinakamalaking party raw bukas. Marky,
Opo, marami pong stars na pupunta doon. Siyempre, ang ating Captain Barbell,
Yun.
Captain Barbell stars, si Richard Gutierrez, at si Ding Dong Dantes. Andun din po yung mga lahat ng Atlantica stars. And of course, Sunshine Dizon at saka yung mga Bakekang stars po. Andun silang lahat, kaya dapat
Ay,
makapangyay.
kumpleto.
bukas, big day, ha?
Malaking
Kailangan
Christmas party
Maaga
yan.
ka ba bukas, eh?
Si JR may album.
Yes.
Quickly, JR.
Guys, you know what? I just came out with a new album. It's under JR's Music. Sana makukuha pa kayo. There it is.
All right.
It's
Si
out in
Gerald
stores
may
right
album
now.
din.
Please get it. This one's for you, dude. I hope you like it.
All right, man. Show
Okay,
them
I got this
Casey.
one. This is Lil Charlie at Fluid Lounge. That is in with me. It's in where's that? Malate, December 6th. And then this one right here. This is Rada. Yeah, Rada with Echoes Band and
Rada.
Joaquin Garcia. That is going to be
When?
when's the date? I
Metro
can't
Bar,
see it.
okay?
Metro
December
Bar.
10.
December 10. Thank you.
Casey, mamaya kasama kita, Zirco Green Hills.
Mamaya.
Yes, Mark.
Ayan po, birthday concert ko po, Mark Heras Dance Party.
Birthday.
December 16 po sa Timog Zirco Bar. Naku, marami po akong guest yung mag-enjoy kayo. Bukas po, SOP, Christmas party po namin ako. Napakarami mabibigat na artista.
Alright,
Ayan po.
Ako po, iniimbitahan ko rin po kayo bumili ng album ko, Gerald Santos, A Day on the Rainbow. At bukas po nasa SM Clark po ako at December 21 sa Centrum de la Salle pa po.
All right.
Hello, BMC under
Thank you
Jimmy
very much.
Records.
See you all tomorrow on SOP.
SOP.
Big day.
SOP, yes.
Narito naman sina Tony Rose and Tito Sen.
Yes.
Yon, alam mo Tito Sen, ilang araw na lang at Pasko na. At wala sigurong pinaka-excited dito kung hindi mga bata.
Oo, at mula sa Itbulaga, ito ang handog natin sa kanila. Give love on Christmas Day. Munting kahilingan, munting pamasko.
Yes, at ito po ay isang bata na katulad ng iba ay naghahangad din maging maligaya itong Pasko. Ayan, kaya panoorin natin siya.
Tahimik ang payata sa ganitong oras. Halos wala kang maririnig na kaluskos. Pero gising na si Jamel. Handa nang maghanap buhay. Umaasa lang ang pamilya ni Jamel sa munting kita ng kanyang ina bilang labandera. Nahinto kasi sa pagtatrabaho ang kanyang tatay nang ito'y maaksidente kamakailan lang.
Naisip din po talaga niya mag-pandesal para po makatulong sa amin.
Sa umagang ito, doble ang kayo ni Jamel. Alas 6 pa lang, nakakadalawang balik na siya sa bakery. At sa pagsikat ng araw, handa na siyang umuwi ng bahay. Ngayong Pasko, simple lang ang hiling ni Jamel.
Gusto kong regalo ngayong Pasko. Mga damit.
O habang pinagmamasdan namin siyang naglalaro, muli naming naalala na kahit mabigat ang responsibilidad na pilit niyang inaako, nananatili pa rin siyang isang bata.
Bumili ng load gamit ang GCash para sa chance na manalo ng 10,000 peso GCash daily o 1 million pesos sa Grand Draw. Sa GCash, mamaskong pabuenas, load to win promo.
Have a GCash loaded Christmas. Oh, ho, ho, ho,